Okay, number 30. It says the total cost in dollars to buy uniforms for the players on a volleyball can be found using the function given, where U is the number of uniforms bought, and at least 8 players, but not more than 12 players on the volleyball team. What is the domain? The domain of this function. Well, that means the domain is going to be our U value. Okay? Number of uniforms bought. So now we want to have at least 8 players, but not more than 12 players on the volleyball team. So that means that our value that we're going to input in terms of our U for our uniform, we're going to have at least 8. And can we have 9? Yes. Can we have 10? Yes. Can we have a range? Can we have like in between 8 and 9, and 9 and 10? No, because you're not going to have partial players, and you're not going to have partial uniforms. So we're going to have, this is going to be a discrete function. So it can't be f and it can't be g, because those are both continuous functions. And when we're talking about the domain of the situation for this function, we're not going to have any partial uniforms or partial players. Now, we can have 11, and at max we can have 12. Now, remember, the C, the cost, that's going to be our Y value, so that's going to be our range. Okay. Now, the range is also going to be talking about in terms of discrete values. You're not going to have any partial range. So now our answer choices are going to be J or H. Now, we're talking in terms of the domain, so that means that we're talking about the number of uniforms bought. So then that's going to be our discrete values here. That's going to be the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer choice is going to be J. The circle has a radius of 6x to the 9th, y to the 5th, and it can be used founding the equation a is equal to pi r squared. What is the area of this circle in square meters? So that means that I'm going to take a is equal to pi. My radius is 6, the expression given, so that's going to be 6x to the 9th, y to the 5th, and that's going to be squared. Now remember, when we're squaring it, we need to distribute that to all the terms inside. So that's going to become 36 pi, because 2 to the second power is going to become 36 pi. X to the 9 times 2 is going to give us 18. And y to the 5th, 5 times 2 is going to give us y to the 10th. So that is our answer choice B. See you in the next video.